Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a BMW 6 Series guys and you're trying to remove or replace ignition coils. It should cover generation E63 E64, also F06 F12 and F13 guys. So that's ignition coil. We'll explain how to remove, replace it and how to find out which ignition coil actually needs to be replaced. Make sure you stay until the very end. We'll share very helpful information. If you need to buy a new coil or any of the parts and tools that we use, or you want to see where we get our tools and parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. We share it for your convenience. Another thing guys, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can or we need. In return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you what we have here guys, and we're going to explain how to do that. This is the N52 engine, but even if you have a 6-cylinder N52 3, N54 or N55 engine, the procedure will be very similar about removing and replacing ignition coil. And this is for any 6-cylinder gasoline BMW 6 Series guys. Now you will need to, what do you need to do? You need to remove your engine cover. Now in most cases, for instance on the N52, it attaches to 4 different posts on the engine, so you need to just grab and pull it. Okay, you will have rubber bushings, 4 of them that attach. Okay, you can see those rubber bushings, okay, right here, and they attach to the valve cover, okay, right here, you can see. Perfect. Now those are guys your ignition coils now. Okay, you can see those are your ignition coils, 3 before the Valvetronic motor, 3 after the Valvetronic motor. So let me explain something guys. This channel right here, auto repair guys, this is our main channel. Now on this channel guys, we have helped more than 69 to 70 million people guys, and we have very helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars. So definitely guys, check it out, subscribe if you want to save money on future repairs and want to learn how to fix your car for free guys. So now that being said, on the very front side of your 6-cylinder engine, facing the radiator fan, the very first ignition coil is for cylinder number 1 and spark plug on cylinder number 1. Then we have, they go in order 2, 3, then you have number 4, 5 and number 6 right there. So guys, how we know which one needs to be replaced? It's pretty simple. Let's say you have a code P0356 ignition coil, it will say P0356. That will be for cylinder number 6 guys. The last digit of the code corresponds to the ignition coil on that cylinder. So in that case, okay, it will be this one there. If you have on cylinder number 3, let's say, it will say P0353 in most cases. And often it may say ignition coil A will be for cylinder number 1, B for cylinder number 2, C cylinder number 3 and so forth. They go A, B, C, D, E, F. So those are ignition coils as well guys, and you will know which one needs to be replaced that way. Okay, now how we guys remove and replace them? Pretty simple. Check this thing out. You have one cap on top. You need to go ahead and open it. When you open, the wire should come out. Sometimes this wire may be stuck and you need to help it come out while you're pulling on the cap. Okay, here you may be hitting a little bit the wiring harness, so be careful. And later you need to grab the ignition coil and pull it straight up. Just twist, pull up, okay, and it will come out. And this is your ignition coil. If you need to buy a new one, we'll share the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. We'll have it there for your convenience. When you're ready to install it, it's pretty simple. You just get it, install it, push it down, okay, get it on the spark plug, you'll feel it, and until kind of like you feel a click sinking in. Install the wire, you'll start pushing the cap and then manually close the cap and it should close the wire. Make sure, okay, this one, it didn't close all the way. Okay, check it out. This is right here, the wire. You need to help it a little bit sometime, okay, to make sure that it closes all the way. Otherwise, it will not be communicating, guys, and that will result into having a bad communication and you will have a code again and misfire on that cylinder. So, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.